Destroying those cruisers is the first step.
Barely holding it together here.
You've got company.
Knew you had him.
Unless I get real lucky, I think I'm going down.
Ready for orders.
We'll never get through while those Imperial cruisers are still there. Good work. Our Y-Wings finished their bombing run. Keep at it. Structural failure imminent. Finish them off. One cruiser down. One to go.
Losing power.
My droid says we've got a tail.
Our blockade runners are here. Keep the Imperials off them and they will deal out serious damage. The cruisers are down. Scanning for additional defenses.
Ship's ready.
Thanks for lending a hand. Friendly bombers incoming.
I'm going down.
We're reading heavy shielding around the dock. You'll have to take down those generators.
Let go of your fears. I am here.
A Y-Wing squadron has joined us. Cover them so they can perform a bombing run. The Y-Wing squadron successfully completed its bombing run.
Attack from behind, they do. Focus your efforts.
Take down those shield generators. Then we can go after the Star Destroyer. Generator down. Continue.
Wonderful. Now that. Only more.
One of our blockade runners is taking damage. Defend it.
We've dealt them a serious blow.
Another down. Making headway. Only one left. We've lost the blockade runner. I don't like our chances if we lose another. Generators down. Stand by. Scanning for intel.
Guess the force isn't too strong in that one. Entering the fight.
Ah, fortunate. The Star Destroyer shields remain up, but the duct clamps powering them are vulnerable. Disable them.
In a bit of trouble!
Both blockade runners are down.
Try not to get excited up here, but I'm getting excited.
Still a bit of work to do here.
Mission comes first. Go!
Target destroyed.
Shields offline. Now, focus all fire on the reactor. We don't have much time.
Incredible shot.
Shields back up. Concentrate fire on the power clamps.
Primary system's about to fail.
We're gonna lose. It's been an honor, Red Squad.
Oh shit! Wait!
Points are destroyed.
Lieutenant Tally Lyncher reporting.
Confirmed kill.
The reactor is wide open. Hit it with everything you've got before the shields are back online.
Target destroyed.
Star Destroyer's reactor is critical. It won't take much more. Enemy shields restored. Target the power clamps.
Need a lot of... Fighter's tailing you.
Oh shit!
We got this. Mop it up.
You lost your tail! Congrats!
Shields down. We have a brief window to target the reactor. Quickly, before they come back online.
I've got this one.
We've done it. We've loosened the Empire's grip on this entire system.